Hello and welcome to this video brought to you by the West Haven Public Library. In our last video, we learned how to create an account with Overdrive, which is a service provided to you by the library that allows you to borrow ebooks and audiobooks for free. If you haven't already created your account, I suggest you watch our previous video to do so. The link to it will be in the description box down below. So in this video, we are going to learn how to download the Libby mobile app on both iOS and Android devices. Libby is an app that was created by Overdrive, so it has all of the same materials that Overdrive has, but the app itself is more visually appealing and user-friendly. If anyone is interested in using the original Overdrive app, please let us know in the comments down below and we can make a video dedicated to the Overdrive app as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, West Haven Library, so that you can be notified when we post new videos. So we will start by downloading the Libby app on iOS devices. If you are an Android user, you can skip ahead to the time shown on your screen to get to your instructions. To begin, we're going to locate the App Store on your device, and it should look like this app right here, a blue icon with an A-shaped figure in the middle. Once you find that, tap on it. And then you need to locate the search area, which is right down here on the bottom, shown by a magnifying glass. Go ahead and tap on that. And then, all the way at the top of the page, there is a search bar. You can tap anywhere inside of this rectangular bar. Anywhere is fine, and once you start typing, the gray text will disappear, so don't worry too much about that. So you're going to type in Libby, which is L-I-B-B-Y. And as you can see, a few suggested results have come up. You can go ahead and click on any of these, Libby, Libby by Overdrive, Libby app. Any of those will bring you where you need to be. You could also click the blue search button in the bottom right. Either way will get us to the Libby app. So I'm going to tap on search. Alright, and then we see the Libby app right down here. You can go ahead and tap on the name of the app. That'll open up a page dedicated to Libby with information on it if you wanted to learn more about the app. And then the step to download it is there's going to be this blue button right next to the icon and right below the name of the app. Mine says open because I've already downloaded it, but yours will say get, it'll say download. The point is that you want to click on this blue button to get or download the app. So once you click on that, it'll load for a moment, and once it finishes downloading, it'll change to this blue button that says open. And at this point, you can tap open to directly open the app, or you could find the app where it's downloaded. And by default, when you download things off the App Store, they go to the very last page of your phone. So the last of my apps are right here. If I had just downloaded it, it would show up right here at the end of my apps. Mine is right in here, so I'm just going to click on there and tap on Libby, and then it opens up just the same. To begin, we're going to locate the Google Play Store on your device, and it should look like this icon right here, a multicolored triangle. If your device is a little bit older, it may look like a white shopping bag with this icon on the center of the bag, but either way you'll see the multicolored triangle, so keep an eye out for that. Once you've found it, you can go ahead and tap on the app, and it'll open up the App Store. Before you make your search, just make sure you are either in the Games section or the Apps section of the store. If you try to search in movies or books, you will get movies or books that are titled Libby as opposed to the Libby app. So as long as you're in one of these sections, you're fine. And then once you've made sure of that, you can go to the very top of the page where it says Search for Apps and Games, tap anywhere in that search box, and you're going to type in Libby, L-I-B-B-Y. And immediately you see some results. These are suggested results, so you can tap on these to get to the app. These first two will bring you to a list of apps in which Libby is one of many apps. This one down here with the icon of the Libby app will take you directly to the information about the Libby app. And then you could also, of course, use the magnifying glass in the bottom right corner to search for exactly what you have typed. So I'm going to use the magnifying glass. Go ahead and tap on that. Alright, and then once the app comes up, you're going to tap on the name of the app, Libby. There we go. And once this opens up, this green button right here on your end should say download or install. Mine says open because I've already downloaded it. So you're going to want to tap on open right here, and then it'll take a minute or two to load and finally download it. But once it finishes downloading, the green button will change to say open, just like mine says. And once it says that, you can go ahead and tap on open and it'll open up the app. You could also, instead of tapping on open, instead of going through the App Store, you can go to where all of your apps are stored on your phone. So right down here, this white icon is where all your apps are stored. You can tap on here, and it'll open up all of your apps. I have Libby right up here, and you could also, at this point, hold your finger down on top of Libby and drag it right onto your page. Right, and now at this point, you can finally tap on Libby to open it, and it'll open up just the same way. Right, and that is how you download the Libby app on both iOS and Android devices. Keep an eye out for our next video. It's going to be a tour of using Libby, so we're going to go through all the different parts of the app and learn how to use the app. And the good thing about Libby is that the app is exactly the same for both iOS and Android devices, so no matter what operating system you have, you can watch the next video and learn how to use Libby. Thank you so much for watching.